As you well know, probably for the next 12 months, liquidity is going to be an issue and a challenge for most financial markets, especially developing financial markets. However, saying that, AMJ Global holds a unique set of technology that enables us to be able to invest in the fixed income market with safety and a lot of caution. So even though the market is delicate, we are working in the UK to bring investments back into Pakistan, even during the current climate as it is now.
Fantastic, that's great. So when liquidity is going to be the challenge, do you have a specific solution for Pakistan?
Well, not specifically with Pakistan. We have a business model that we're operating in various locations in Africa, which are doing really well considering of the financial climate. We believe that Pakistan has the same potential to use or to replicate the business model that we're using in Africa in Pakistan. So, for example, we know that the UK holds the largest Pakistani community in Europe, and within that community we would be able to generate a Diaspora fund that we would be able to then invest into the Pakistan markets. Again, a replication of what we're doing in Africa. There's a lot of Africans in the UK and they want to be able to invest their money back into their home countries. So we'd like to give the Pakistani community in the UK the same opportunities. In addition to that, we've found that with the type of investment that we're doing, again, fixed income in Africa, purely for the current circumstances, we're able to, at this time, generate a 20% return on investment. Now, from that, what we have actually attracted is large public projects to be invested in order to develop the social and economic markets of Africa in addition to private investment.
So Natalia, what type of fund size are we talking about? What was the fund there and what are you looking at?
So we have a number of funds that are coming into action, but the types of projects that are being executed, we have, they vary from £15 million to £150 million projects that are being, or the investments are being generated through funds within the African communities into Africa. So if we were to apply the same model from Africa into the Pakistan, not only are we generating private investment for, quite substantial returns,
right,
but also we're generating opportunities for public and economic development projects for the country as well.
Okay, great. So what will be the vehicle? You would just be launching a fund in UK, or you'd be doing something else? You'd be contacting Pakistani UK Business Council. What would be your method?
So we have a number of networks in the UK. So we have the Pakistan Business Council, we have the British Pakistan Foundation, and the Pakistani Chambers of Commerce. Now, we are currently looking for a partner in Pakistan to be able to support us from the Pakistan aspect of generating these investments. Our company is based in the UK, so it would make sense for us to have a partner in Pakistan to support both these private and project-funded investments. So between our partners in the Pakistan, where we would be able to get localized or domestic investment, we would be responsible for the UK diaspora community, and then from that we would move into the European diaspora community, and so on and so forth.
Okay, great.